In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Instagram Checkout and how it can help your business make more sales on the Instagram platform, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm on Instagram, and as you can see, there's a shop section in the Explore page. So all you have to do is hit the search button at the bottom, and then you'll get taken to the Explore page, and then you can hit the shop button. And then once you get to the shop screen, you can start navigating through some of these different items that you can buy. And so let's say I wanted to buy this hat, this Gibson hat, and I'm a guitar player, so I might like it. So what you can see here is you can either view it on the website for some products, and for that one you would have to do it on the website, but for this product you can do a in Instagram purchase. So you can add it to your bag. So I can add it, I can select a size, and then I can view my bag. You can also view your bag by going to the top right. There's a little shopping icon, and I click that, right? And what I can do is if I want to check out, I can click on one of the items, so like casemate, and then it says my subtotal, and I can save it for later. It has like a little overview of what item I'm purchasing and from who and the quantity, and then I can proceed to checkout. So it's going to give me delivery info, and then I can put in my address and go through the process. So the benefit of having this checkout process built in is that you don't have to leave the Instagram platform. So as a user, it's easier, but also as a business owner, you don't have to direct them to a website and worry about if your site loads fast enough or if you're getting, that bounce traffic, and you don't have to worry about creating a landing page for that product. You can just, have your website, keep it separate, and then you can also sell within Instagram like you normally would. Now, if you have an e-com store, it is good to create landing pages specific for products, so it's easier to shop for them and add them to your cart. And it's also good because you're going to get more conversions because it's more focused and there's less links on the page. But now that there's a checkout process within Instagram, and Facebook's also adding a shop feature to their platform, now you can count on more conversions within the Instagram platform and most likely within Facebook once they launch that all the way through. This is great if you're an e-com store owner and you're trying to increase your conversions when you're doing, paid advertising. You're trying to get people to go to your website and you're getting all this bounce traffic, doesn't load fast enough, or their connection doesn't work. Guess what? It's right in the Instagram platform now, and most likely you won't have to pay as much for paid advertising because Facebook and Instagram and most platforms don't like it when you are taking them off their platform. Google and Facebook and all these companies, they make their money by keeping people on the platform through ads. So they don't want you sending them to an outbound site, and that way they can get more engagement. And if you do that, you don't have to pay as much for ads. And that's why things like lead generation within Facebook or, other different platforms like YouTube or something like this, where you're checking out within the platform, you're keeping them on Instagram. And that's super powerful for engagement and driving down your cost per lead and cost per sale. So I highly recommend you check this out as a business owner and as a consumer, and I hope you really enjoy the checkout process. It is super cool, super quick, and it's going to make shopping a whole lot more fun and more convenient, and it's going to drive more sales for businesses. If you like this video, hit that like button so more people can see it. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me on how to make more money online and live a happier life. There's a video right after this one, so stay tuned for that. Peace out for now.